So my name is Eve Dalton. I'm the Director of Technical Training and Facilities Management here at the Lear Academy. Stage management and technical theatre as a degree covers every aspect that you didn't know existed in theatre. We have a 3-year course. Your first year is spent entirely in practical learning. So you will spend a section of each term in every department. So that's stage management, costume, scenic, art, construction, lighting, sound and prop making. So through that you get 6 weeks of hands-on experience, 3 weeks within classes, and then another 3 weeks as crew on the productions that our second and third years work on with professional creatives and directors. Third year you can choose then to specialise and really get into the nitty-gritty of what it is to be in charge of any one of those departments. Particularly important within that is you are running your own crew. In third year, you can choose to repeat any one of those modules again as a HOD, but also you take on slightly more academic level of study in what we call our research projects. So they are a point at which you can actually really take the opportunity to reflect on your own practice and how that sits within the industry as it currently stands. That can be either written or a practical project, depending on what your specialism is. And I think it's a really important part of what we do in third year because they are the people who are going to become the next industry leaders. So we have visiting professionals that we tailor courses to whatever those year groups have particular interests in pursuing as their careers. In lighting, we get film and TV people in to teach them slightly different desks than theatre people use, and we get guest lecturers on more complex control systems, for example. Traditional education only sets you up for one point of your intelligence to engage with. What's amazing about our course is that it's great for visual learners, it's great for people who have a high emotional intelligence. If you are very visual and you like to work with your hands and have more of an artistic intelligence, we have different areas for you to explore that as well. Irish theatre and Irish art practitioners are so unique in their approach to what we do because of our history, and we have developed our own ways of working that I think nowhere else can teach you how to do it the way that we do. When you look back at your time here from a third year position, you can really clearly see your growth as a theatre maker. And once you leave this place, you know that you have all those skills to tackle anything as part of your career. So I think anyone, as long as they have an interest in discovering what art is and what it is to be a theatre maker, then this course is for them, no matter what their skills and what their intelligences are and where they lie.